This is what our guest bathroom looked like when we bought our house. And this is what it looks like after a simple makeover. Today, we're going to look at the cost breakdown and overview of the project. Links to all the products can be found in the description. We always wanted a floating vanity and found this faux concrete style unit at Wayfair for $690. It has plenty of storage and even a soft close. We also really wanted to incorporate a waterfall style faucet, so we went with this brushed nickel unit by Delta that we found on Amazon for $329. The LED mirror is a nice piece that adds soft, even lighting from all directions and even has a defrost capability. It can be turned on from the button on the mirror as well as by a wall switch. This was also from Amazon for $260. The brushed nickel shower rod was sourced from Howe's for $58. And I really like the look of these square rings we found at Ballard Design for $44. The shower curtain and towel rack are also from Amazon for $20 and $13. The 2x2 foot concrete style tile came from tilebar.com at $3 per square foot for a total of $117. To install the tile, we needed cement board, thin set, grout, and screws that came to a total of $170. In my experience, top flush toilets seem to have less issues than side flushers, so we went with this model by American Standard from Home Depot for $324. The overhead vent by HomeWorks has multiple features that are controlled by this touchpad. You can switch from light mode to night light, and even Bluetooth connect your phone to play music. We got this from Lowe's for $159. The baseboard, trim, and paint came to $137. The grand total to complete this makeover was $2,320.92. Now let's take a look at some of the work that went into the makeover. To start, we needed to remove all the old hardware, starting with the mirror, then whatever this odd thing is, and then the towel racks. Next, out came the toilet. Be sure to put a cover over the drain pipe, or the aroma of sewer will soon fill your house. The vanity was next to come out, followed by the trim and baseboards. I tried chiseling out the tile, but was getting nowhere fast, so I picked up this rotary hammer from Harbor Freight and made quick work of the job. The old cement board was removed and replaced with new. Now it was time to install the new large format tile. For a more detailed video on how to install the tile, click the link here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.